Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot to introduce myself. This is me, Rockstar Foxy, using Scrap Baby's account. I don't know why, but yeah, me, see, and I want to build a pizzeria here, and I forgot. Oh wait, yeah.
I'm stuck.
Well, actually, for this. Okay, bricks, I know. I eat torches. This thing here.
No! How did you just escape?
Okay, darn, that's okay. Curtains. Puppet blocks. Here, and elevator. I forgot. Spawning area here. What was I going to do again? Oh wait, there, I forgot now. Wait, no, I forgot. What does that again? Build a pizzeria, my sister, but she's not here. I must wait for her. I think I don't have to do this. Wait, you guys wait. Wait. Guys, wait. FNAF 6 Pizzaria. Here we go. Server. Continue. Okay. Here we go. There we go. Here we are. Why is the name S Puppet instead of Puppet? What are you doing? Are you doing a FNAF pizza?
Wait.
What are you trying to do? You just can get materials. So we need gray stained clay, oak wood planks, oak wood stairs, glowstone, dark oak door, red wool, puppet box colors and bricks, a block of iron, and coal. Okay? Is that okay? Chica? die. That is so loud. What music is that? Oh my god. If everyone else is here. Ah! Okay. Chica, this is the spawning area. Chica, get up. Ants. These are dumb. Okay, yeah, actually, it's nice. Okay. Oh, Chica. Chica, where are you?
Jumping. Hello.
Chica, we need to build a pizzeria.
Okay, whatever.
Press. Stop it.
Go away.
Go away. Ah! Come up, dummy.
Okay.
Why do you keep dying? What is wrong with you?
I wanted to go home.
See, never ever dig a hole. Okay. Flooring first. I don't know why I built that. Chica. It looks like a grave. But who
Foxy,
cares?
Foxy.
What?
This color?
No. Yes, that color. And okay. Don't stop building here. Oh! Okay, don't stop building it. Stop! We start building from here. Stay where you are first. Stay where you are first. Don't move. Stop moving with the spawning area now. Oh, okay. I thought it's Fortnite. Wait, it's just Fortnite. I can't do. Oh, right out, heroes.
Right out.
Right out. Okay. If more players join this game, it must be much more easier.
And more fun.
No. They will totally make this. My little brother's a jerk. Okay.
A jerk?
I call him that.
Why? That's mean.
No, it's not. Scrap baby is. Isn't she? What done? Done. Da! Stop. Is that you're a jerk?
You're a jerk.
No, you're a jerk.
You're an ugly guy.
Wait, how many blocks is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, right?
Hey, it's a Halloween.
Hey!
Pizzeria. Let's do it.
No, Halloween just passed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wrong, Chica. Chica, wrong.
No, stop.
From here. Okay. I just need glass, but I forgot. Okay. I wish we can do these, but none of you are in. I'm so sorry, guys. I just don't know how to draw. I just don't know how to do this video. Look, I am very horrible at coding. Oh, seriously, Fortnite done, bro. Wait, no, not Fortnite done. I forgot.
Just a meal.
I'm perfect. No, never mind. That song will last forever. It's coming nighttime. Chica made a bed for us. Ooh, ow. Please.
How?
Help me what?
Stop.
Oh my god. Ah! Fly!
I can't fight. Okay. Oh, come on. No. None of my business. Goddamn.
Chica made a bed for us.
Okay.
Ah!
That's more brighter.
Just put here. And sleep. No! No light! Don't you dare leave.
Yeah, money. I got double.
I got one.
Here you go.
No, I got one.
I don't want.
I don't want.
Yep.
Throw it somewhere. Dig a
I thought that
hole.
was Molly.
Ah! It's a skeleton. Wait, this might be good
There's a skeleton
for
in the
survival. I'll take all the armor. Aha. Fire protection. Wow. How do I look, Chica?
What?
Look at me now.
Ooh.
You can't see me, right? Here.
Yeah.
Ooh, so stylish. Jazuki, stop! Stop! Okay.
Ah!
What?
Ah. Oi!
What is wrong with you? Stop putting stuff. Oh, guys. Oh, never mind. There's another music here.
You're going wrong.
Okay. Wait. I was distracted with something. Sorry.
What is it?
Nothing.
I need armor, so I want armor too.
Do you know that my friend? Wait. Do you guys want my friend's YouTube channel? Please support them though.
How do I look, Foxy?
How do I look first? You look ugly.
Uh-huh. Of course I look ugly, duckly.
Dig holes. Yeah. After we finish whole thing, and I need to make an office, and it needs to have a dark tunnel, which leads to the office. I didn't do that. Just okay. This is good. It is a long way.
Now how do I look?
Wait,
Still awful.
wait, I can see.
I know it's still awful. Look how it looks like.
It is still awful.
I know.
Okay, Chica. Why did you block me?
And then we
Okay.
play Roblox for a second, okay?
No, don't play. By the way, this is just a tutorial for you all to join, and if you want to build a pizzeria for basic needs. And I know my creation's awful, but wait.
I just fall on my foot. Come back here.
What? Come back what? I'm lagging. Okay, wait. Now here's the real problem. Torch. Here is the office. Chica. Chica. Chica.
No, I didn't go.
I need your help.
What?
Can you please dig this for me? The ground.
Okay.
Wait, not yet, not yet. Okay? So starting from this coal, can you dig it for me and then put coal? Please. Please.
Put coal.
Yeah, put coal. Starting from the
This one?
coal here. No, wait.
Then
This, wait. Wait. Okay, guys. I want to continue this video. I will make episodes of this video. With me and Chica or someone else, okay? Okay, wait, Chica. Oh yeah, she's kind of offline now. Wait. Yeah, she left the game. I don't know why she put her name as Puppet. But, But she doesn't have a YouTube channel my friend's house. Okay, please subscribe.
this could be bad.
Okay. Yeah, okay, that's good. Ready. By the way,
Do not tell Daddy. Okay.
Bye for you here. Okay, I'll be back very soon.
Waalaikumsalam.
Very soon.
Nadia dengan Syahid.
Very
Nadia
soon.
dengan Syahid.
So bye bye.